wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best men's sunglasses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, built using 100% natural bamboo, the 4S Shades 50/50 make a great conversation piece among eco-conscious consumers. The company plants 2 trees for every pair purchased, so they're more than just a superficial statement. They come with durable double spring hinges and float when dropped in water. However, they can be too loose for some. At number 9, whether you're a pilot or simply like the masculine, sporty look of aviators, the Randolph Concorde are for you. They're available in several stunning finishes like gunmetal and bright chrome, and will definitely turn heads on or off the runway. They're built with impressive craftsmanship and are a trendy, oversized lens design, but they are tight on larger heads. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Oakley fuel cell provide optical excellence with their stress-resistant frame and proprietary Plutonite polycarbonate lenses that filter out almost all harsh rays. These are a good choice for photographers, drivers, and law enforcement professionals. They're available with prescription lenses and sport attractive metal accents. However, they feel rather heavy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for men's sunglasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the attcl sunglasses driving provide wide coverage and excellent protection with a 100% UV400 coating. They feature an extra-strength aluminum alloy frame that can take a beating, though since the lenses are exposed, they may chafe your cheeks. They reduce glare effectively and are made from water-repellent materials, but the nose pads tend to fall off. Moving up our list to number 6. If you want that wayfarer look without spending a lot of money, the Zerouv UV Retro can give it to you in almost any color lens you desire. They come polarized for ocular protection and are mirrored for an extra bit of flair. These are sold as singles and in multi-packs and are a good unisex option. However, some of the colors are a bit tacky. Halfway up our list at number 5. Here's an accessory that will stand the test of time and look just as good on you in 40 years. The Persol Square feature a quality resin frame and are reminiscent of something your favorite leading actors of the last few decades may have worn. They have a classic keyhole bridge and feel lightweight. They're flattering on almost all shapes of face. At number 4, modeled after the iconic shades of arguably the most beloved member of the Beatles, the dollger John Lennon feature non-polarized circular lenses in frames with protective springs that can absorb shocks and bend to guard your investment. They have a rock and roll aesthetic and come with a hard case and a maintenance screwdriver. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, from a trusted name in sportswear come the Adidas Raylor S, which feature a sleek wraparound style and are available in 2 lengths, 60 and 65 millimeters. They also boast total ultraviolet protective coating to keep your eyes shielded from damaging rays. They have a 16 millimeter bridge and the tint isn't too dark. They won't fall off during light activity. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for men's sunglasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Maui Gym Hot Sands are designed to give you the best eyewear experience possible on and around water. Their polarized lenses will take the glare off the surface, allowing you to enjoy a squint-free day of relaxation or a better look at potential catches. They feature a smudge-resistant coating and comfortable bridge pads. They sit snugly on the face. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Ray-Ban Folding Wayfarer combine classic style with clever technology. A couple of hinges here and there, and voila, you have a pint-sized pair of shades that can be tucked away in a persol pocket. They're great for use while traveling or as an everyday accessory. They include a compact case and boast a sturdy composite plastic frame and the company logo printed on the right lens. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for men's sunglasses, or simply click beneath this video.